My class did a unit on flipped. Every day they would listen to an audio for about a chapter or two while the students followed along in their books. At the end of the unit, they watched the movie Flipped and were able to compare and contrast those. This is a handout that my teacher used to help the students learn character traits through their unit on Flipped. At the top is visual representations that the teacher included to help the students remember parts of character traits. During this activity, the students were separated into groups where they were able to talk and listen to each other's ideas as to which character traits they should write for each character. This next set of 3 pictures shows how the teacher used differentiation in her reading assignments. In this assignment, she also included an opportunity for students to use visual representation as they colored their answers. This picture is the lower reading level for the same text. The second unit was on the book called Red Kayak. Once again, the students would listen to an audio of the book while following along and reading in their personal books. The teacher would also stop the audio every now and then to have class discussions on what was being talked about in the book. This next set of 6 pictures shows how the teacher integrated technology and also integrated all the 6 elements of literacy. Students were able to speak and listen to one another's ideas about how to work through each of these activities. Students also had to read and write in order to complete each of these activities. Students would have to choose how they wanted to visually represent each of these characters in these prompts. Students would also be able to view each other's social media pages. The classroom's environment was based on flexible seating. In this next set of pictures, I will discuss the benefits of flexible seating arrangement, as well as how it integrates with the 6 elements of literacy. The classroom was arranged in a way that would encourage student group work. This would allow for better group communication that would include listening and speaking. The classroom library had a variety of books for students to choose from. The teacher made sure to encourage student personal reading every day. A rocking chair and reading center was used as an incentive for students who finished their reading points. The teacher also hung up several visual aids to help the students. This showed examples of visual representation and viewing for the students. The teacher also made sure to include a lot of variety of writing resources for the students. This also included diversity, as the teacher had dictionaries with different languages. Through this project, I was able to see how you need to integrate these 6 elements of literacy not only in your assignments or your activities, but also in the entirety of your class, including your classroom environment and seating arrangement. This assignment also helped me as I was able to view and watch examples of how to integrate the 6 elements of literacy in a manner that flows together. I was also able to see how to better work with my time with block scheduling.